All right. Are we online or are we not online? All right, so we are here. Perfect. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the session number 2 with a code named E01. So, just a fast recap. I'm still trying, or this whole project is about uh, developing an Android app that actually will somehow aggregate or download the headlines from CNN and BBC. So I'm currently having two texts on the screen, which I managed to get or made dynamic yesterday. So instead of hard-coded CNN big capital, I am able to change it now here in the code. And so the whole idea is having again 13 minutes uh, to actually program. So I'm just gonna get the online timer. I think it's this one. Yes, perfect. 30 minutes is ready and set. Birds are annoying. Birds are so annoying outside today. Jesus. Okay, so everything is happening online again. I'm not prepared beforehand at all, so everything you see is also um, basically, uh, how I'm proceeding in my project. So I don't work outside this 30-minute frame. So basically, let's just start. Here we go, and the timer on. So basically, what the fuck? So last time I end up with having only one of those text boxes, dynamic. So today I'd like to finish the rest, meaning this is the activity. Okay, layout over here. So my Android Studio is a bit slow, but whatever. Fuck this shit. We don't want these tips. So activity main. So here we can see that we have something. Oh, maybe it's in content main. Ah, it's here. So basically here, over here, we can see that I named the other one with news headline second. Okay. So back my main. So this is the part of the code which sets the variable or the text in over there. So just news. Yes, gonna remain is the news one. News one. It's gonna be news two. Okay, perfect. And that's here. We want the second, yes. And this gonna be a BBC headline. Perfect. So just a fast update, and let's see if it actually propagates. So yeah, it's not as fast as we would like to, but as you can see, the name over here has changed. So we are ready to actually pull some data from the internet. So the idea now is, I think, aside from having this app, also having a server that I will write afterwards. But for now, I need to find out how we can actually call an API and get some data, right? So I need to Google a bit. So let's say Android call API JSON. The best part about program is that there were so many other people, who also went through the same basically. So programming these days is more just about knowing how to find information and exactly what you need, right? So wow, this looks complicated, and this solution over here sounds okay. Let me check another one. We have this one. Oh, these are so old, so what is the newest? Perhaps this one seems okay. So it tells us that to use this HTTP package client. Yep, okay. Let's just try. Let's see what it does. Perfect. So we have okay, but even before that, I think it would be worth of adding a button to the layout, so we can use that to trigger the call. So Android button, one click. So let's do this. Okay, so on create. Okay, so this is the what actually creates the button. Sure. So we're gonna go to content main. Here we have our layout. Let's see. Soft destruct. Okay, so it seems that. Oh, it can't find the name. I guess we're gonna have some strings over here. Okay, so it's gonna be put on. It's gonna be a refresh boot on. Okay, we're gonna go to string smxml and we're gonna define it. So this is gonna be refresh boot. So okay, so this whole project is about finishing it as fast as possible. So I'm not really like looking too much around and just going really straightforward. So refresh, and here we go. It had changed its name to refresh, and now we're just gonna reposition it. And all right, so now we have a nice button over here. It's gonna be a refresh button as well. And there we have the code that actually will somehow do something when we click. So on create main activity. So we go to our main activity, we find the on create method, which is actually this one. Oh yes, it's over here. So here we define it out of text, and now we will, I guess. Okay, so I believe that's this part of the code. So we need to import the button now, I guess. Yes, come on, help me, Android Studio. Something like import would be nice. Usually, there's this light bulb that shows up. Ah, here we go. Import a class. Nice. So we have button ID is what? It's called button. Perfect button. Nice. And we are missing the H here. And okay, now it's correct. Perfect. So okay, so it's supposed to do something when we so it doesn't know the context. I guess set content view. I'm wondering if we actually also need this one. but it worked with this, so okay, file, wait, find view, yeah, I'm a bit confused now, but no, this actually won't find because I guess we need to do okay. We need to change the type of it to button. Perfect. And now we are ready, right? So if I still remember Java pretty well, so clicking on the button. Okay, so let's fast deploy it. And now in meanwhile, I'm gonna check the HTTP call. Alright, but we can try this. No problem. Okay, so no button in our layout over here. Oh, it's incredibly slow. Alright. Okay, so when I do click on the button, you can see actually down here in the console that it actually locks it. Okay, so it means that the button actually works. So that's amazing, but not surprising. Okay, so now we are stepping up the game and we're gonna use the HTTP client. No. Where is the light bulb? Why is it so slow? Ah, here we go. I don't know what I just did, but I just click on something. Install. Oh shit. Okay. No, all this. Oh, wait, there's something. The whole everything is red. Doesn't really seem correct, but up indexing code. Yes, undo. Okay, undo. Okay, so this will not be that easy, I guess. Alt Enter. So I'm really glad that we got the button at least, but at this point I'm struggling a bit with this. Okay, here we go, the official documentation. That should help, right? 1 minute left, Jesus Christ. So, okay, here we go. This seems... Wow. Okay, so I guess I'll just copy this for today. And then next time we'll work on it, but... Let's see, because this basically seems not relevant. Okay, so let's import all this stuff at least. And then next 30 minutes, Jesus. Okay, so request queue. Nice. We want the one. What was it? Okay. Volume, no. Create class volume, create inner class. But do we need... Okay, so we also need to set up the internet thingy over here, but maybe we should see how to set up. Okay, setting up. Okay, wow. I guess this will take a while, but this is basically what we need to do. But but I don't understand why we can just import this thing and why we have all this shit. Okay, yeah, but the one thing I don't really like about Android is it's so heavy in like writing comparing to other languages. So okay, hmm. Yeah, this is setting up some stuff, but I don't know how to import. Interesting. Wait, but let's if you focus and use the official support. Okay, right. So it should help us. Okay, so this one says. But we don't want to create a class because of that. The import under that. Did we run out of time or just? Oh, that's right now. All right. I need to find out next time. But we managed to get the button in 30 minutes today, so that's at least something. um, as you could see, uh, it's always really challenging, and especially when you start with something new, and even though you know where to look, it sometimes takes a bit of time. But I'm glad that I made another progress. Even all these small steps are countable. So I hope you enjoyed what we have done today together, and take care. And I'll see you very soon at the next session, where we'll hopefully send a request and get some data into our app. So I wish you a great night or morning, and take care.